Michael J. Trax.
Yeah, that's me.
Come with me. The CO has been very busy and couldn't come to meet you right now, so he sent me instead.
That's fine.
The name's Ben Anderson. I'm the head scientist and one of the top engineers here at Operation Perfection.
Nice place you got here.
It's even better inside.
Wow.
Told ya. Come on, let me show you around. That's part of the security department. They've got cameras in almost every room in this facility, and they're watching through each one 24/7.
If the camera is not working, go out and fix it. I'm tired of hearing you complaining every day. Go out.
Who's that giving out
fix
orders?
that damn camera. You got that?
Yes, sir.
That's Agent Miller. He's head of security. He was sent here after pleading guilty to killing his stepfather.
Wait, you mean he's in charge of our safety?
We trust him. Besides, he's been here for at least 30 years now, and he hasn't done anything wrong.
I guess that sounds reassuring.
We've all got stories here. Some interesting, some not. Like Agent Parker here, he was born in this facility 20 years ago.
Hey, Ben.
Hey, Bill. He's never set foot out of the company's borders.
You know, nothing. Sat
Who's
around
she?
the house. Kids.
Interested in Agent Wells, are you?
Something I don't get to
She's
do.
head of the psychology department and one of the top medical officers here. She's here because she wanted to join the army. She says she's trying to find her father, who's a high-ranked officer.
Did you find him yet?
No, not yet.
So, what's your story?
Not much. I was relocated from the science labs at headquarters to work here on making weaponry and armor for the UNSC. Now, I've only shown you parts of the building that connect to the main hallway. You haven't even seen half of this place.
Jeez, this place is big. What happened here?
Oh, we had an incident. Nothing to worry about, though. Come on, nothing to see. And this is one of my labs. It's not the biggest one, but it has plenty of equipment.
You have more labs?
Yeah, I've got 4. Well, technically they're not mine, but I get the most access to them.
I see. So what have you been working on lately?
Oh, we've started making a self.
Dr. Anderson, the CEO wants you and Agent Trax to report to his office immediately.
All right, time to meet the man in charge.